Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I almost forgot I had a hidden giveaway in one of my videos. I'll put the link here. It's obviously too late to enter, but you just needed to leave a comment on the video. And I was giving away just the sentiments that I had stamped out extras, and I was going to throw in a little extra to from little messages, Valentine messages. But yeah, so let me get my the website up and the automatic picker, and we'll pick a winner. I also received some mail from Velma, so I'll be sharing that here after I pick the winner, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've put the URL in for the video. It says that we have, let me see, that we have 6 unique comments, and we're going to start it right now, and yeah, good luck. Congratulations, Diane V. Anderwork 2818. You might be a new subscriber here, maybe not, but oh, it says cue cards. I need to do what you're doing. Oh, well, thank you for stopping by and for commenting. If you see this video, today is February 3rd. Yeah, and that's when this video is going to be uploaded. You'll have till the 10th to contact me. My email address is in the description box below, and send me your mailing address. But yeah, congratulations. Hopefully you contact me so I don't gotta redraw. But hope you guys are having a great day. So let's see what Velma Sharp Johnson sent to me. Hold on one moment, and congratulations again, Diane. So let's open up her mail. It has Kwanzaa forever. It says thank you. Oh, look at this. Enjoy your day. How beautiful is this? How beautiful. It's layered a few times with a belly band. I love this foil paper here. Nice. Says enjoy your day. Oh, and she's just wishing me a happy birthday and many more. She's so sweet. Thank you so much, Velma. That's a beautiful card. And then she said these beautiful flowers. I love flowers. Flowers are my favorite. So thank you so much for sharing and for thinking of me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you again. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.